Hey there, this video is a treasure trove of essential health tips and answers to your most pressing questions. The visuals might be random, but trust me, the information you'll hear is gold. Stick around to the end, you won't want to miss a single tip. In this video, you will learn about workout at home with dumbbells, how to tone your legs and glute show to do diamond push-up, how to do cross push-ups, how to do girl push-ups correctly, how to tired of gym memberships and crowded workout spaces. It's time to sculpt your dream legs and glutes right in the comfort of your home. With just a pair of dumbbells, you can achieve incredible results. Let's get started on your journey to a stronger, more toned you. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, why dumbbells? Dumbbells offer versatility and challenge, allowing you to target specific muscle groups effectively. Rest for 30 seconds between sets. Warm up, light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks, for 5 minutes. Cool down, static stretches for your legs and glutes, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. Remember, proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and maximize results. Watch tutorials or consider working with a trainer to learn correct technique. Additional tips: progression. As you get stronger, increase the weight of your dumbbells to continue challenging your muscles. Nutrition. Fuel your body with a balanced diet to support muscle growth and recovery. Consistency. Regular workouts are key to achieving your fitness goals. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's get started on your journey to stronger, sculpted legs and glutes. This narrower hand placement places greater emphasis on your triceps, making it a powerful exercise for developing those triceps muscles. Benefits of diamond push-ups: increased triceps strength. This exercise is particularly effective at targeting the triceps, leading to stronger and more defined arms. Improved chest development. While primarily a triceps exercise, diamond push-ups also engage your chest muscles, contributing to overall chest development. Enhanced core stability. Maintaining a straight body line throughout the movement requires core engagement, strengthening your abdominal muscles. Improved upper body power. Regular practice of diamond push-ups can increase your upper body strength and power. How to perform a diamond push-up. Start in a standard push-up position with your hands shoulder width apart, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Bring your hands together so that your index fingers and thumbs touch, creating a diamond shape. Lower your body towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Pause at the bottom, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Tips for mastering diamond push-ups. Maintain proper form. Keep your body in a straight line, avoiding sagging hips or arching your back. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your body. Lower slowly. Control the downward movement to maximize muscle engagement. Breathe. Inhale as you lower yourself and exhale as you push up. Start with modifications. If you find regular diamond push-ups too challenging, try them on your knees or with your hands elevated on a surface. Progression and variations. Once you master the standard diamond push-up, you can progress to more challenging variations. Wide grip diamond push-up. Increase the challenge by widening your hand placement while maintaining the diamond shape. Weighted diamond push-up. Add weight to your back for increased resistance. Incline diamond push-up. Perform the exercise with your hands elevated on a bench or box for an easier variation. Incorporating diamond push-ups into your routine. Aim for 3 sets of 8-12 repetitions, 2 to 3 times per week. You can include diamond push-ups as part of a full body workout or focus on upper body days. Remember, consistency is key to achieving results. Gradually increase the number of repetitions or sets as you get stronger. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel like this one. Let's move on to the video demonstration where I will guide you through the proper form and provide additional tips. It's time to discuss how to elevate your push-up game with the dynamic cross push-up. Looking for a challenging exercise that targets multiple muscle groups and adds excitement to your workout routine? Look no further. What is a cross push-up? A cross push-up is a variation of the classic push-up that engages your core, shoulders, chest, and triceps in a unique and demanding way. By crossing your arms during the push-up, you introduce an additional element of instability, forcing your core to work harder to stabilize your body. Benefits of cross push-ups: enhanced core strength. The crossing of your arms increases the demand on your core muscles, leading to improved stability and balance. Increased upper body strength. Cross push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, building overall upper body power and definition. Improved coordination. The movement pattern of the cross push-up challenges your coordination and body awareness. Variety. Adding cross push-ups to your routine can help prevent boredom and plateaus. How to perform a cross push-up. Start in a standard push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart, body forming a straight line. From head to heels, as you lower your body towards the ground, cross your right arm under your left, bringing your right hand to the outside of your left hand. Push back up to the starting position, then repeat on the other side, crossing your left arm under your right. Continue alternating sides for the desired number of repetitions. Tips for mastering cross push-ups. Maintain proper form. Keep your body in a straight line, avoiding sagging hips or arching your back. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your body. Lower slowly. Control the downward movement to maximize muscle engagement. Breathe. Inhale as you lower yourself and exhale as you push up. Start with modifications. If regular cross push-ups are too challenging, knees or with your hands elevated on a surface. Progression and variations. Once you master the standard cross push-up, you can progress to more challenging variations. Wide grip cross push-up. Increase the challenge by widening your hand placement. Weighted cross push-up. Add weight to your back for increased resistance. Incline cross push-up. Perform the exercise with your hands elevated on a bench or box for an easier variation. Incorporating cross push-ups into your routine. Aim for 3 sets of 8-12 repetitions, 2 to 3 times per week. You can include cross push-ups as part of a full body workout or focus on upper body days. Remember, consistency is key to achieving results. Gradually increase the number of repetitions or sets as you get stronger. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel like this one. Let's move on to the video demonstration where I will guide you through the proper form and provide additional tips. It's time to discuss the misconception of girl push-ups. There's no such thing as a specific push-up designed for women. Push-ups are a versatile exercise that benefits everyone, regardless of gender. Let's break down the right way to perform push-ups and build upper body strength together. Forget the label girl push-ups. Focus on mastering proper push-up form, which is the same for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, the fundamentals remain consistent. Let's build strength and confidence through effective push-ups. Benefits of push-ups. Increased upper body strength. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, leading to improved overall upper body power. Improved functional fitness. Push-ups enhance everyday activities like carrying groceries or lifting objects. Core engagement. Maintaining a straight body line during push-ups strengthens your core muscles. Bone health. Weight-bearing exercises like push-ups contribute to bone density and strength. How to perform a standard push-up. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Lower your body towards the ground, bending your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, avoiding sagging hips or arching your back. Push back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully but without locking your elbows. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Tips for It's time to discuss knee push-ups, a fantastic exercise for beginners and those looking to build strength without the full pressure of a regular push-up. Let's get started on mastering this valuable exercise. Knee push-ups, your gateway to stronger arms. Knee push-ups are a modified version of the classic push-up that focuses on building upper body strength while reducing the strain on your core. Control the downward movement to maximize muscle engagement. Breathe. Inhale as you lower yourself and exhale as you push up. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles for stability. Progress gradually. Once you can comfortably perform multiple sets of knee push-ups, consider progressing to full push-ups, incorporating knee push-ups into your routine. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 repetitions, 2 to 3 times per week. You can include knee push-ups as part of a full body workout or focus on upper body days. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel like this one. Let's move on to the video demonstration where I will guide you through proper knee push-up form and provide additional tips. Remember, consistency is key to building strength. Start with knee push-ups, and as you get stronger, gradually challenge yourself with full push-ups.